The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, center armrest. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.